In this video, biggest giveaway I've ever done. What we got in here? Love them or hate them, Parkside tools, I'm a huge fan of them. I've made loads of videos on them, playlist below. 4 weeks ago, I hit 10,000 subscribers. And to show my huge appreciation and thanks to all of you, I'm going to give away some new ones. I've also got some other Parkside tools I've not shown you yet, which will be in this video. Also some things I picked up from Aldi. Before I get on to what I'm giving away, here's some of the tools I've done videos on. Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. Bandsaw, lathe, belt sander, pressure washer, 3-in-1 saw, hardware, polishing disc, precision screwdrivers, sanding discs, tweezers, crosscut mite saw, dowel jig, clamps, tri-square set, small electric screwdriver, belt sanding sheets, calipers, paint sprayer, stapler, drills, saws, wrench set, screwdriver bits, aerosol cans, wire strippers, leather punch, small saw, planer, more screwdriver bits, biscuit jointer, magnets, extendable torches, multi-scrapers, magnetic dishes, gloves, lifting jack, and much more. Check the playlist below. And this giveaway to all my subscribers and any new ones. So subscribe and ring the bell. So, 2 bags full of Parkside tools from Lidl, the middle aisle, giveaway time. Let's have a look what I bought. Before I forget, the winner of the Parkside socks goes to offcut55. Send me an email to weekendshedhead@yahoo.com and I'll post them out to you. So, biggest giveaway I've ever done. What we got in here? Ooh. All sorts. So what I'm going to do is put these into lots. First, second, third, maybe a fourth prize. So I think I've worked it out. There's going to be 4 prizes altogether. This is first prize. Bit set with a ratchet. Not got one of these, but I have got the bits. Just not got the ratchet in there. Good quality box as usual. That's one. Bottle opener, the fan edition. I actually got that on offer. It was £3.19, reduced from £3.99. But they may stop selling these at some point. So that's in there as well. That was £9.99. Pick and file and screwdriver set with a little handle there. Great bit of kit. You may have seen this in one of my other videos already. Nice box again. £4.99 those are. Masking tape. I really rate this stuff. 3 rolls in that one, I think. Again, I've had it in another video. A battery-operated LED work light with batteries. I don't think the winner will mind if I open that up and have a quick look at it. We'll have a look in a sec. Knee pads. These are £5.99. Again, I've not got any of these, but they look quite spongy on the inside and like a clear plastic on the front. Nice. Some of those Velcro straps for strapping up cable on tools in orange. Again, I looked at them in a video. Quite a bit for the first prize there. That lot. Next, second prize. Knee pads again, masking tape, pack of 3. The bit set with the ratchet. And the LED work lights. So that's second prize. Next, oh, it's only the knee pads. Third prize, a socket set with ratchet, flathead, posies, Torx, X-heads, Allen keys. They're £4.99. The pick set, £4.99. And the hook and loops. So that's third prize. Next, fourth prize, the ratchet set. So, I'll explain how to enter the competition giveaway later in the video. I've not had one of these, and I'm sure the winner won't mind that I'm going to show you. In fact, has this already been opened? Yeah, it has, look. Ooh, someone's had a play. Here we go. Plastic. No rubber. Yeah, it's all plastic. I mean, it's fairly manoeuvrable. I mean, you can go upright, horizontal, go all that way, or all that way. Clicks together nicely. But yeah, say it's not the best quality, but What do you want for a £9.99 work light? Batteries go in there. Do this side. Oh, they're already in. Ready to go by the looks of it. Where's the on button? Oh, there. Oh, wow. Right in my noggin. Yeah, they're bright. They're good. Yeah, they're proper bright. So switch at the side there. Or you can have one or the other. Both together, or one or the other, and off. That's rubber. So yeah, nice. Instructions as well, of course. Let's put it nicely back in. There's no point opening anything else. Everything else is on my video except for that. The only difference being it's got a ratchet in there. Oh, and I bought them as well. I was so impressed with those hook and loop straps that I bought myself some longer ones as well. How long are these? 300mm. The other ones were 200mm. There we go, if you haven't seen them before. Nice. Good. I'm going to fly through these other items that I got last week that I didn't show you. So, precision screwdriver set from Parkside. I've already got a small version of one of these, but I thought I'd get a bigger version. Familiar boxes. In fact, it's not the familiar box. This is a bit more... It's a lid. It's not a folding lid. It's just a drop-down lid. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. No clips to contend with. And I suppose we can sit it on a shelf like that, leave the lid off. Does it sit in there like that? Yeah, almost locks in. Yeah, it does actually. It locks in. Junctions. There we get multiple bits, of course, for nuts, screwdriver, Torx, security fittings, Allen keys, the usual stuff. Handle looks okay and moves separately. Yeah, pretty basic really. Flexible bit to pop in there for those awkward positions. Sits nicely in the box. It's like shadow foam actually. You can see in that. £4.99 that was. Next, you can probably see them already. Drill bits. Got wood, metal and masonry. These were £4.99 as well. 12-piece set wood, 15-piece set masonry, and a 15-piece metal. I think with drill bits, it's one of those situations where it's only over time how good they are. So I'll come back to you on these. I just wanted to show you them out the box. Do like the boxes from Parkside. Clip together really well. And the stack as well, which is a good idea. Nicely stacking. There we go. I have got numerous drill bits, but it's just nice sometimes just to know exactly where they are, because mine are just bunched up in a box. But yeah, all right. £4.99 a box. Obviously the larger ones in the back and the smaller ones in the lid. I'll use these and report back. Next. Now, you may have seen in my last video that hole saw set. Well, this is a 8-piece Carbide hole saw set. Carbide tipped teeth. Hole saw sizes, 15 to 18 mil for water pipes, 43 for drain pipes, 67 for sockets. Adapter length, 45 mil. Let's have a look. Again, the box isn't the best, but it's £9.99. Pressed plastic hinge. 67 millimeters, 43 millimeters, 18 millimeters, 15 millimeters. I'm going to get the two adapters. That's one with the locking pins. Wind that back and the pins come out. And we can just screw it into there. And we can just wind those pins in and they lock in on the inside. So I put the 43mm hole saw on that arbor. Then I put the drill bit in the centre. I can tighten this screw up on the side. Nick that up in place. Got a wall tile here. It's about 8mm thick. Parkside drill. Now, of course, normally wall tiles will be bonded to the wall, but I just wanted to show you it working. Mess. Also, I got these from Aldi, £1.99 each. Double-sided PU foam adhesive tape, double-sided mounting tape. Max holding power, 2.5 kilos per 10 centimetres. Dimensions, 19 millimetres by 5 metres. Removable. So look at this one first. Look at that, clear stuff. Let's cut a piece off. Ooh, it's gummy. It's the gummy stuff. Stick that on there. Peel the film off. What can we stick to that? Piece of wood. Now that, where is it? I've lost it. So it's only about 30 millimetres long. Clean. It's lifting the whole mat up. I mean, I don't know what other tests I could do. I could probably put some on the wall, but that is really strong. See if I can pull that down. Oh yeah, comes off eventually, of course. But yeah, it's not bad. It's dead sticky. It comes off. Obviously, it's a dirty surface there as well, but yeah, you get the idea. Let's have a look what it says on the back. Sticks metal, glass, wood, tiles. Do not use on ceilings. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. Yeah, keep clean, of course. But yeah, you get the idea. They're sticking a picture up. And it's removable, like that stuff you get, that command strips, I think it is. Let's have a look on the back first. Mirror tape, it's classed as. Sticks on solid and smooth surfaces, such as metal, glass, no mosaic tiles, ceramic. Yeah, there we go. I think, might be wrong, but I think this is what some people use on number plates. They stick number plates on, registration plates, or L plates. Cut a piece of this foam off, stick it on there. And I think with this stuff, once it's on, it's on. Whereas the other stuff, you can remove it. So just stick it on there, peel the film off. Yeah, I probably should have cleaned this mat first. Never mind. The wood on there. An inch worth of it. Oh, yeah, it's a dirty bit of wood, but you get the idea. If I put something smooth on it, let's use the tile. Yeah, stuck to that. And it still comes off. Well, I bet if it was a nice surface, it wouldn't come off that easy. A clean surface anyway. £1.99 a roll. Bargain. Now here's the details of the giveaway. So all you've got to do is be subscribed, like the video, put a comment below on why you should win. That's it. And my wife will pick the winners. So for example, just comment that you just built a new shed or a workshop and you need some new tools, or your son and daughter's moved out and they're setting up their own toolbox, or maybe you can't get Parkside tools in your area, or you've never used Parkside tools and you want to give them a go, or you hate Parkside tools and you just want a freebie, or whatever reason you like, just got to be a good one. But bear in mind, there's 4 prizes to win, and I might chuck a bonus one in at some point. The winners won't be announced for probably a couple of weeks, so you've got time to think about your reasons. Apologies due to shipping and the weight of this stuff, and I can only send it to UK addresses. Either way, subscribe, like this video and comment below. Loads more videos to come, including my new layout plans for the workshop. It's evolving all the time and I ain't even started on the modifications yet. I think I'll need your help on some things I'm undecided on. So once again, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you didn't know already, or you didn't guess already, I'm not an expert. These are just things I get up to in my shed, generally at the weekend. Say safety-wise, don't do as I do, do what's good for you. Always read the instructions. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, take care, and remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers!
See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.